Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down and go to the ringtone and alert sounds and tap on ringtone. So here we've got some pre-installed ringtones, or actually albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. We've got classic in nature. We can also tap on this device, and if you've got something downloaded or recorded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as your ringtone. But I will pick something from those. Let me pick the nature, and to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. Okay, too loud. But basically you can see the idea of that. Just tap on the specific ringtone and you will be able to listen to it. So let's pretend I wish to set maybe this rainforest as my ringtone. So all I have to do is to simply mark it and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.